Want to make website banners that converts visitors? Stay tuned. In many ways, your website banner is the face of your website, serving as its focal point. It's the biggest part of your homepage and is most likely the first thing your website visitors see. So, how do you make a website banner that hooks your visitors' attention and converts them into paying customers? Today, we're going to talk about how to make an effective website banner. Welcome back to the channel. This is Jelly from LYFE Marketing, and we are a digital marketing agency dedicated to helping small businesses grow. Before we get started, this is your reminder to subscribe to our channel and to hit that notification bell icon to get notified as we upload more of our essential business growing videos. Taking the extra time to design a website banner complements your brand and keeps your visitors hooked is important in converting your visitors. So you may be wondering, what makes an effective website banner? A fully optimized website banner has the following. Number 1, features your best product or lifestyle images. We've said this before, the quality of your designs will always be dependent on the quality of its ingredients. You can't make eye-popping visuals with mediocre quality raw materials, and you most definitely cannot make a crisp-looking website banner with low-resolution product and lifestyle images. Make sure that you have high-quality photos or videos of your product or service ready to be added to your banner's design. Authenticity plays a huge role in getting your visitors' trust, and this applies heavily on visuals too. So you're going to want to avoid cheesy and staged-looking stock photos that don't relate to your brand the same level as actual images of your product or service. The same goes for mock-ups. If and when you're using product mock-ups, make sure they look close to your actual product and don't look too fake or too flat. Add them to visually simulating backgrounds that complement your overall visual branding to help extend that feeling of visual harmony from your brand to your featured product in your banner. If you want to make product mockups for your business, we have a previous video on how to do this in our channel. Number 2, clearly communicates what you're selling. Adding a headline to your banner will help communicate anything your visitors need to know about your business or your featured products. If you're running a sale, if you just launched a new product or service, or maybe you're offering something that's limited edition and won't be available for long, make sure it's clearly stated in your banner. It's important to note, though, that you should never overcrowd any type of graphic, and your website banners especially so. Make sure your banner contains no more than 2 sentences and combines no more than 2 font types to keep it pleasing to the eye. Number 3, has a call to action. Call to actions tell your visitors exactly what they need to do next. Buy now, sign up, start trial free, learn more, and etc. The destinations linked to your CTAs offer a clear and easy route for your visitors to convert to paying customers. So it definitely goes without saying that your CTAs need to be visible, standing out instead of blending in. Of course, if your goal is to convert your visitors, your CTA will have to be buy now, purchase, shop sale, get the look, and the like. Number 4, features a design style that's both impressive and complements your branding. Okay, let's be honest. There's almost nothing completely new under the sun when it comes to design. So especially if you don't have any prior experience to graphic design, you don't need to rack your brain trying to think of something mind-blowing or 100% unique to stand out amongst every other banner design made to date. But you do need to design something that is unique to your brand to stand out amongst your competitors. This is done with a combination of elegant and visually stimulating design, unified with your business's visual branding. Create designs that feature your brand colors that at the same time impress potential customers by featuring your brand's personality and telling its story through your graphics. For example, if you're using Canva, you can start with any of the preset templates available that you feel works best with your brand, and edit it until you've changed its colors, images, and other elements into something that you'd love for your customers to see when they open your website, giving it a look that may not be unique in terms of composition, but is unique to your brand and how you've tailored it to fit your visual branding. Before we get to the last item on our list, if you want to have professionals handle all aspects of your business's digital marketing for you, click the link in the description to get your free proposal today. And last on our list at number 5, make sure that your banner is updated consistently. This is fairly straightforward. Aside from ensuring that your banner has everything we've just discussed, be sure that you're also constantly updating your banners. If you're running a sale, make sure your banner features that sale only for its actual duration, and return to your regular banner afterwards. The same goes for seasonal holidays like Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas. Be sure your banners feature elements that you associate with a specific season to help give a festive feel to your visitors, and at the same time letting them know your website is absolutely live and up to date. After all, the last thing you want is for returning patrons to see your website and think that it's been stagnant for a while and hasn't been updated recently. And that's it for today's video. When was the last time you updated your website banner? Let us know down in the comments below. And be sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Also, please remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to grow your business. Once again, this is Jelly from LYFE Marketing, and I'll catch you in the next one.